Let's take a moment and go through the subwoofer settings on Pioneer's DEH-X2700UI. So from any source, the first thing we're going to do is turn the head unit off. I'm going to press and hold the source button for a couple of seconds till the head unit is turned off. Now I'll press in on the volume control, and we want to go to our initial setup menu. Here's initial. We'll press enter right there. And we want to go to the speaker and pre-out settings mode. So this is the rear speaker output and the RCA output, or the pre-out settings mode. We'll press in on the volume control to enter that. Right now we're set to the rear speakers being full range and the RCA pre-out being subwoofer output. If we wanted to, we could roll over and set both the rear speakers and the RCA output to subwoofer output, or roll over one more time and we could set both the rear speakers and RCA output to full range output. For this application, I want to have my rear speakers be full range and the RCA output be my subwoofer output. So now I'm just going to press the source button to go out to the radio, and I'll press in on the volume control here, and we're going to go until we find the audio menu. Here's the audio menu. We'll press enter, and we're going to roll along here until we find our subwoofer settings. Right now our subwoofer is turned off, so we'll press in on the volume control, and that switches the subwoofer output, that's the RCA output, switches it on to its normal phase. If I wanted to, I could press in again and switch the subwoofer output to its reverse phase, or I could switch the subwoofer output off. For this application, I want to switch the subwoofer output on, and we're going to roll over to the next setting, which is our subwoofer control, and we'll press enter. Here, we can choose a crossover frequency, and I have a number of crossover frequencies to choose from. Choose the one that works best for me, press in on the volume control, and I can choose to boost or cut the subwoofer output, and I have a wide range of settings to choose from there. And I can press in again, and I can choose the crossover slope. The crossover is set at 50 Hertz. Right now the slope is set at 12 dB per octave. I can adjust that to 24 as well. When you're done making your subwoofer output settings, you can just press the band button to escape.